Hey everyone, welcome to Animation Addons documentation series. And in this video, I'll show you how to install Animation Addons plugin step by step. So let's start by going to your WordPress dashboard. But before you install the Animation Addons, make sure you have installed the Elementor free versions. And just to clarify, you don't need the Elementor Pro. The free versions of Elementor is all you need to use the Animation Addons. If you already installed the Elementor, then you can skip these steps. But in case if you don't know how to install Elementor, then follow these steps. So then we get to the plugins and click on Add New. And then in the search bar, search Elementor and press enter. You will see that the Elementor is here. So click on install now. It may take just a couple of minutes to install the Elementor fully. Okay, now you can see that the Elementor is installed. Now click on active. Now if you want to create an account in Elementor, then you can create the account from here. But I'm going to just simply click on the cross button, and I will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard, and you can see that the Elementor is installed now. Now the time is to install the Animation Addons plugin. The steps is simple. Just click on the plugins and then click on Add Plugin and search here Animation Addons and press the enter. You can see the Animation Addons for Elementor, GShape powered Elementor add-ons, and the website templates. Just click on install now. And the same way it may take some times to install, and okay, it's installed. Now click on activate. So the plugin is activated. Now if you click on the setup, but in some cases you can, when you click on the active button, you can see this UI. So the UI is simple. You can just click on the check mark and then click on the continue, then continue. You can see that we have some widgets already activated, so you can just simply click on the continue. If you want to enable all the extensions, you can just enable them and click on continue. Our plugin has 150 plus prebuilt website template, so you can check it here and then click on continue, and all the widgets and everything is installed. You can now go to the dashboard to check everything. Now you can see that the Animation Addons plugin is installed. From here you can enable or disable the free widgets. Here you can enable and disable the extensions, and you can check the free and pro version differences here. You can see the integrations, and you can get the starter template by clicking here, and you can see that it has nearly 200 pre-built website templates, and all the templates includes all the required inner pages and everything. Also you can search here by the category. Also you can search here by the template name and everything. And also if you want to check the preview, you can click the preview icon, or preview button. You will see that the full website template is here. So if you want to import, we can just purchase the pro versions and you can import it. Also we have many templates, many free templates, so you can use them as well. So yeah, this is all about how to install the Animation Addons. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using Animation Addons.